How do you fix Subnautica 2 is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click the game in your library and then open up the properties window, and in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11. Then go to the installed files tab and verify the game files. Now once this is completed, you want to open up your browser and install the redistributables by going to this link, which is in the description below. You scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers for the redistributables, which will require a computer restart when you're done. Now, right after the restart, you might also need to check if you have the latest updates for your GPU. So depending on your GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software if you're running AMD, and check for driver updates and make sure to download and install the latest driver update to add support for the game, for example, the Subnautica 2 here. And once you're done, you'll need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem. Now, if you have a crash at the startup of the game, what you can do is try to disable any overlays. Starting by Steam, go to Steam Settings, scroll down to the in-game section, and then turn off the overlay here. Next, you'll also need to turn off the overlay from your NVIDIA app or AMD if it's enabled, by unchecking the overlay from the settings. And you should also disable the Discord overlay if you have it enabled by going to User Settings, Game Overlay, and turn it off from here. Now you can also turn off the MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner overlay if you have it installed on your PC. And then you can try to restart your computer and launch the game again from Steam, and that should solve the crash at the startup problem. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.